The broken down diesel engine. Norman is a red diesel engine who lives at the Vickerstown Diesel Works. He can be rather gruff and hostile to talk to, but he means well most of the time. One day he was going to help with the construction on the line, but then... Oh dear, that's the third time my engine has stuttered this week. I need to get it fixed out. Soon Philip was pushing Norman to the diesel works. Norman was very cross. "Hello, Norman," said Lady as Norman entered the diesel works one day. "It's you again, Lady. What do you want?" "Oh, no need to be mean. I just thought I'd come here to visit Great Waterton. That's all." "Well, I'll be on my way then." "Oh, isn't this just great? Now my engine has broken down again." "Don't you worry, Norman. We'll help you to the diesel works." "Ah, good morning, Norman. Why the long face? My engine keeps breaking down and I'm not pleased about it at all." "Oh, well, I wouldn't worry about that. You should go to the diesel works and speak to Den and Dart about it. They could do something." "I know, Stephen, I know. I'll try, but... Uh-oh, I can see a train of runaway trucks coming. Yet, oh no, my engine has stalled. This is not good at all." Ow! 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 Oh dear, now I'm fallen down as well. Oh, hello, Norman. Hey, Kana. I hope I can get back up to shape soon. I just wish my engine would stop breaking down. That's all. And not to mention, I had to pull all these trucks as well. But hey, at least I've got my engine fixed, and I should be taking these to the coaling plant. "So, did you get your engine fixed in the end, Norman?" "Oh, yes, I did, Philip. Yep, so therefore, I'm not going to be breaking down anymore. I will now be working like a regular engine. Maybe even like my twin brother Dennis." "Oh, well, that's good then. In fact, I've got an idea to test it out. Norman, you're right. Whoops. Oh well, maybe I might still be a bit clumsy as well. Oh dear, we all make mistakes, don't we?"